Public housing. Housing provided for people on low incomes, subsidized by public funds. In Hong Kong, public housing is usually dense, tight, populated estates where the residents share limited space and facilities with each other. The air circulation in these estates are usually congested. Residents suffer from poor air quality, resulting in various respiratory diseases. To improve the air quality of individual units, we focus on the design of the windows installed, acting as a device to receive fresh air circulation by protruding from the existing facade, creating a sunroom. The mechanism is electromagnetized, powered by household electricity and compensated by kinetic floor tiles. Once it is powered, the magnet will release and the windows will unfold and extend. The window is made of respiratory glass, mimicking the porous nature of human skin, allowing it to breathe in the fresh air. Featuring microscopic pores that allow air to pass through it while filtering pollutants and vapor in the air. Improving the air quality in the flat, reducing the humidity, and preventing the infiltration of germs and bacteria. Public housing are usually densely packed with limited space between for vegetation, which is a crucial element for a better environment. The irrigation of the green feature mimics the form of a Namib desert beetle, collecting moisture in the air. Each pot is made of hydrophilic material that absorbs the condensation on the facade to help irrigate the plants. This feature not only provides irrigation but also reduces the humidity during monsoon seasons in the unit, creating a more comfortable living environment. Elevating the bed from the ground liberates more floor space and separates it from the rest of the living area, allowing more privacy. The space beneath acts as a storage compartment for the residents. A retractable metal staircase to the bed minimizes the floor space the bed occupies. This double sofa bed can be folded away with ease and provides storage space in the drawer, which acts as its supporting system. It offers the residents more flexible sleeping arrangements that can increase the household capacity to accommodate 4 people. With detachable components, the desk offers great flexibility in terms of workspace. It can be folded to save space and extended into a larger surface to suit the user's needs. The cabinet is equipped with a retractable TV rack. When not in use, it is retracted to its compartment so as not to block the windows and sunlight. To reduce consumption of non-renewable energy, piezoelectric materials are used on the floor of the units to generate electricity in response to kinetic energy. When people walk on the tiles, the pressure will deform the piezoelectric discs, generating electricity. The aim is to provide a better living environment for the people in public housing by improving the air quality, daylight exposure, as well as greenery. Taking into consideration of energy coefficiency, environmental friendliness, and day-to-day